Okay, here's an updated video of Pepper's puppies. They turned 8 weeks old yesterday. They are just
like. Is that the pinky you like, huh?
They're just little maniacs. What a difference 2 weeks makes.
Crazy. Yeah. It's crazy. Still fat. We're still fat puppies. Yes. Oh my goodness. You just love me, huh? You love me. Oh my goodness. Yes. You are a rascal.
Isn't she?
Here's the most outgoing one
Yeah.
right here, short hair.
They're all outgoing, but she's...
She has one speech. Wide open.
Already hear her laughing. They're having a good time. Their ears are trying to come up. Trying to come up. They're so active, it's hard to get all of them in the video. She says, I'll come see you, Daddy.
You're so cute. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Oh, my goodness. Happy as a lark.
Uh-huh. Running around laughing.
She's looking at me while she's chewing on that Mickey.
Yeah.
She just couldn't take it. Hey, get over there. Say hi to my dad.
Get a belly rub.
Hi to my dad. Oh, yeah.
Oh, careful. What? You come over here just to chew on my shoe? That's no good.
Here we go. Oh, here she comes.
She's scooting as fast as she can. She's laughing the whole time. Oh!
Gun ownership is fine. This woman, absolutely. This woman is a hero, and I regard her as such. I'm not against this principle. Gun ownership, I'm against owning guns.
God almighty.
Oh, you don't want to play with those guys. No, you don't. You think you do, but you don't. Andy? No, no. She's just bouncing off stuff.
All three of these are girls.
All three are girls. 2 long hairs and a thick short hair. And they've gotten lots of spots, lots of ticking. You notice the thick short-haired girl right here? I'll get more updated pictures to post this video today, but her markings are so beautiful. She reminds you of a blue tick or a chocolate tick hound. And this is just an example. We get all colors and coat patterns.
Black spot on her back.
Yeah, all colors and coat patterns in our Chihuahuas. And you never know what you're going to get. It's just so much fun when they're born, watching them develop, and the markings on her face have gotten just gorgeous. Now, if her ears would just come up so she'd look like a Chihuahua. Oh! Anna! You don't want to play with these babies. No, you don't. Anna?
Well, I don't think you need me in here.
Well, we can be done.
Come here. Come over here. Get over here. Oh my goodness.
So come and see them. Get on the floor in the kitchen here and play with them. See how beautiful and friendly and rambunctious they are. And they're ready to go to homes as of tomorrow. So don't hesitate to give us a call if you want to find out more information about them or come and visit. Have a great day.